Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of self-installing a modem on the Spectrum network without the need for a technician. Follow this step-by-step guide to get your internet up and running quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Gather your equipment. Before you begin, ensure you have all the necessary equipment. You'll need your modem, power adapter, coaxial cable, and an Ethernet cable. Make sure you have these items on hand. Step 2. Connect the coaxial cable. Take the coaxial cable and connect one end to the cable outlet on your wall. The other end should be connected to the coaxial port on the back of your modem. Ensure that the connections are secure to prevent any signal interruptions. Step 3. Connect the power adapter. Plug the power adapter into an electrical outlet and connect the other end to the power port on your modem. Ensure that the modem is turned on. You should see lights indicating it is powering up. Step 4. Wait for the modem to initialize. Give your modem a few minutes to initialize. Look for the following lights: power, online, and internet. The power light should be solid, the online light should indicate a connection to the network, and the internet light should show that you have an active internet connection. Step 5. Connect your router, if applicable. If you are using a separate router, take one end of the Ethernet cable and connect it to the Ethernet port on your modem. Connect the other end to the WAN or internet port on your router. If you're using a modem-router combo, you can skip this step. Step 6. Connect your devices. Now that your modem and router, if applicable, is set up, you can connect your devices. If you're using Wi-Fi, refer to the modem's sticker for the default Wi-Fi network name and password. If you're using an Ethernet cable, simply plug it into one of the LAN ports on the modem or router. Step 7. Activate your modem. To activate your modem on the Spectrum network, open a web browser on a device connected to your network. You should be redirected to the Spectrum activation page. Follow the on-screen instructions, which typically involve entering your account information and account number. If you do not get redirected, you can access the activation page by going to www.spectrum.net self-install. Step 8. Test your connection. Once activation is complete, test your internet connection by visiting a website or running a speed test. If everything is working correctly, congratulations, you're online. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tips and guides.